Hello, today I'm going to read the tyre numbers on my Toyota RAV4 and explain exactly what these numbers mean. So we go on the back right hand wheel are those numbers, the 225, 65 R17, 102H. They're the numbers you know when you're replacing your tyres, you need to quote that at the tyre shop. So today I'm going to explain exactly what those numbers mean. So firstly, the 225, that's the width of the tyre in millimetres. So grabbing my tape measure and measuring sort of from the outer edge of the tyre across, it's coming around about that 225 millimetres, which is the width of this tyre. Now the second number, the 65, is called the aspect ratio. And this number is used to work out the height of the tyre wall. And to work it out, it's actually 65% of the 225. So I'll plug that into my calculator, 225, and I'm going to multiply that by 65%. And that gives me 146 millimetres, 0.25, 146 millimetres. So putting a tape measure there on the wall of the tyre, it's pretty hard to measure this one, then it's coming in around about that 146 millimetres. Understanding, of course, that the tyre sits a little bit inside the rim, so so to measure it, it's got to sort of come down a little bit to measure that. But that's basically the height of the tyre. Well, it's the 65 is the percentage of the 225, and that works out the height of the tyre wall. Okay, then the R then stands, that one is the construction type of the tyre, so the R means that it's a radial tyre. And the 17 then is the diameter of the rim in inches. So grabbing a tape measure then and pushing that across the diameter there of the rim, understanding of course that the tyre sits a little bit inside the rim to get it all to fit. You can see there that the diameter of this rim is coming in at 17 inches. Okay, so the 225, 65, R17, they're the key ones you need to quote at the tyre shop. And these next ones are just a bit of extra information. So the 102 is the tyre load rating, and you've got to look up a table for the tyre load rating, but if you look up 102 on that table, it relates to 850 kilos, which is the maximum weight that the tyre can carry, which is 850 kilos. And the H then, the last one, that's the speed rating, and there's another table to look up the speed rating, but H means that the maximum speed that the tyre can withstand is 210 kilometres per hour, and that's what the H means. Okay, that's all the key numbers then on the side of a tyre, and that's exactly what all those numbers mean. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.